Can I speak for just a second, please?
I don't want to hear talk. I want you to tell me.
Because it's not my fault. I was less than six. That was like not even 60 days late in January when they decided to not accept my money.
Yeah,
and then they adjourned it. I have it.
Slow down. Performance Equity versus David Fry. 2500325. Your name again, sir?
David Fry.
Good. Mr. Fry, your name?
David Fry.
Nice and loud. Mr. Sherrill?
Good afternoon or morning. James Shirley for plaintiff.
All right. Did you guys talk? Have you resolved this?
Very briefly, and it was not resolved.
Your Honor.
What happened?
The courtroom falls silent as the defendant, David Fry, struggles to explain himself. His voice trembles, desperate to be heard. The judge cuts him off sharply. Slow down, the judge says. The case, Performance Equity versus David Fry. The tension is already thick. Fry insists it's not his fault. He claims he tried to pay, but the finance company refused. From the start, emotions run high.
They don't want to accept my payment again.
Wait a second. Slow down. What? Okay. Yes, Linda.
Someone has checked in for the defendant. Her name's Angela. Yes.
Oh, no, she's with me.
You're a lawyer, right?
With Performance Equity, the finance company.
She's my client, Your Honor.
I see. All right.
The judge looks over the file. Your name again, he asks. David Fry. The man answers, his tone shaky. Across the aisle, the plaintiff's attorney introduces himself, James Shirley, representing Performance Equity. It's clear they've tried to settle outside of court, but failed. The courtroom air grows heavy. The stakes?
Don't have a lawyer.
A man's home.
No, sir.
Why won't you accept the payment? Tell me what's going on.
Because I called him on Friday to talk to him, and he still didn't have it.
I did talk to him on Friday.
Slow down. Wait, we cannot have two people talking. Okay?
Sorry.
You called him on Friday.
To see if he had the payment, and he said that he's got to switch money around. He doesn't have it. The same thing he said in court the last time, and he still didn't have it on Friday. So
that's not what I told him.
Go ahead, Jim. I'm sorry.
Yeah, no problem. Here's the thing, Your Honor. Mr. Fry is now 174 days delinquent, and the amount owed on the delinquency is $3,289.02. Plaintiffs usually...
The judge turns to the woman beside the attorney, Angela Jackson, the company representative. You're not a lawyer, right? He asks. She shakes her head. The confusion builds. Fry, unrepresented, tries to keep up. The judge probes. Why won't they accept payment? Jackson explains they've called, they've waited, but the money never arrived. Fry cuts in, agitated. That's not true, he pleads. The judge raises a hand. Slow down.
Pretty flexible in cases like this, but I ran Mr. Fry's name through the docket over the weekend. And in the past 2 years, he's been sued for non-payment of rent by his landlord 13 times. So I think it's very likely that if this case ends in anything short of a judgment of possession, we'll be back here in a couple of months.
The attorney steps in, his tone calm but firm. He lays out the numbers. Fry is 174 days delinquent, owing $3,289.02. Then comes the blow. This isn't the first time. 13 prior lawsuits in 2 years. The judge listens, expression unreadable. Around the courtroom, murmurs ripple through. The past is catching up fast.
Listen. It's very simple. You either have the money or you don't.
I do. I absolutely do. And can I speak for just a second, please?
I don't want to hear talk. I want you to tell me.
It's not my fault. I was less than six. That was like not even 60 days late in January when they decided to not accept my money.
Yeah,
and then they adjourned it. I have it.
Slow down.
I have the money.
Don't talk to me. Don't interrupt me.
I apologize.
I don't want to be interrupted. I asked you to stop 2 or 3 times. Knock it off.
The judge's patience thins. You either have the money or you don't, he says bluntly. Fry insists he does. But his words stumble over frustration and fear. When he interrupts again, the judge snaps. Don't talk to me. Don't interrupt me. Apologize. The room freezes. Fry apologizes softly. The judge's voice cuts like steel. This is not a bar.
This is not a bar.
Oh, I understand, sir. I'm just trying not to lose my home.
Well, it's very simple. You owe $3,289.02. Now, you don't interrupt me. Either pay him the money or you're going to lose your home. I don't want to get into all this, what happened 120 days ago, or what you told her on Friday, or she's misrepresenting, or you don't have to move money around. You got the money now today or not?
Yes, sir, today.
Where is it?
In the bank account.
What bank?
Right now, my boss's bank. I have the money at work. I've not gotten paid for the past 3 weeks, so it's
Stop. Your boss's bank account.
Yes.
That sounds like double talk nonsense to me. If it's either in your name, in your account, or your boss's account. If it's in your boss's account, you don't have access to the funds yet.
I have. He agreed that he'll make the payment for me because it's owed to me.
Call him up right now.
Yes, sir.
Go out. No.
The reality sets in. The numbers are clear. $3,289.02. The judge lays down the law. Either pay him the money, or you're going to lose your home. Fry swears he has it in his boss's bank account. But that doesn't sit right. The judge leans forward. Your boss's account? That sounds like double talk. His tone grows skeptical. The courtroom watches a man's story unravel, one inconsistent answer at a time.
No. You're not going to call from in the courtroom. Go call him up. Say, can you make the funds now or not?
Yes.
Shh. I'm not going to play games. Don't interrupt me again. Go make the call. These good people are going to wait. And you're going to come back here in the next 5 to 7 minutes. See, it's 19.
The reality sets in. The numbers are clear. $3,289.02. The judge lays down the law. Either pay him the money, or you're going to lose your home. Fry swears he has it in his boss's bank account. But that doesn't sit right. The judge leans forward. Your boss's account? That sounds like double talk. His tone grows skeptical. The courtroom watches a man's story unravel, one inconsistent answer at a time.
15 minutes to 10. You come back in here by 10 to 10. And tell me, Judge, I'm either prepared to make the payment right now, or I'm not. Period. I don't want to get into all this other stuff. Go make the call. Wait a minute. Come here.
Sir.
Now you put the phone down.
Sorry.
Now you're hemming and hawing again. I can tell that you don't have them.
I do. I swear. Honest to God, truth. It's right now. As if they would have accepted it Friday, it would have been made.
Friday, it's their fault. Now,
yes,
Monday, what happened to the money since Monday? Or since Friday?
They said our office closed at 4:30. I said that I'm ready to do it. I even asked them if there's any chance that someone over the weekend could run the payment.
If you had the money Friday, you got the money Monday at 9:42. Right?
Yes, sir.
Nobody can.
The judge gives Fry one last chance. Call him up right now, he orders. But not in the courtroom. Go outside. You've got 5 to 7 minutes. Come back by 10 to 10. His voice is final, unyielding. Fry nods nervously and steps away, phone in hand. The judge watches as he leaves, silent but skeptical.
Came and thieved your bank account, did they?
No, sir.
The bank didn't take it. Your boss didn't take it. Nobody stole it. So it should still be wherever it was on Friday, and you can tender it. Now go and call your boss and come back. You still got, you wasted a minute. You got till 10 minutes to 10.
Go now?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Verified. It will be paid right now today.
I want you to pay it now.
I can be paid right now.
Okay. Do you know where you're sending the money?
To her. She just needs to answer the phone and run it.
All right. He's going to go out and call you, and he's going to wait right here, and we're going to make sure that the payment was made before I do anything on this case. Okay.
All right.
So you go. I'm sorry, Angela, what's your last name?
Moments later, Fry returns, phone in hand again. The judge isn't buying it. Now you put the phone down, now you're having it on again, he says, catching Fry's hesitation. I can tell you don't have the money. Fry pleads, voice breaking. I do, I swear. The judge's tone remains cool and logical. If you had it Friday, you should have it Monday. Nobody stole your bank account. The logic is flawless, the tension unbearable.
It's Jackson.
Go call Miss Jackson. Before you leave the building, send the money over. We'll verify it was received, and then we'll go from there. If it's not received, well, there's another means we'll have to go about it. Okay? So don't leave.
No.
Okay? All right, good enough. Tell me this is resolved. Mr. Fry, your name?
David Fry.
Angela, your name? Jackson, Ms. Jackson?
Angela Jackson.
And James Shirley.
Mr. Shirley. What happened? Tell me this resolved. Okay.
The payment did go through.
Okay. So what do you want to do? You're going to just dismiss the case?
Well, I'd suggest a conditional dismissal, Your Honor. We don't want to be doing this every couple of months. I'd suggest a conditional dismissal in case of any future default that lasts more than 10 days. I can file an affidavit, an order to reinstate, and a judgment.
How can I do that? How do I have the authority? He's paid up the debt. I don't see how I can do that at this point.
There's quite a substantial balance remaining.
There's a substantial balance remaining?
On the principal, yes. He's come current, but there's still a balance on the principal.
Yeah, I know, but I can't. That's what you're sued for, was the past debt.
Correct. Well, actually, we sued for possession.
Finally, the breakthrough. Fry verifies that the payment will be made today. The judge wants proof. Do it now, he says. The finance company confirms they'll accept it. The courtroom holds its breath as the transaction goes through. The judge waits, calm, controlled, determined to see resolution before making any ruling.
No, I get it, but you were sued based on the fact that he had an arrearage, right? Yes. And now the arrearage has been brought up to date. I'm a lousy judge, don't you think? I think if I start entering into signing orders of conditional dismissal that pertain to future defaults, right? I can't do that. I'm sorry. So you guys want to just submit a stipend order to dismiss?
I'll do a voluntary dismissal.
Well, you got an answer here somewhere, right?
Well, not in writing.
Does he have your permission? He's appeared, though. Does he have your permission to sign your name to a stipulation in order to dismiss this case without prejudice?
Yes, sir.
That's the way I'm going to ask you to do it, Mr. Sherrill. I'll just indicate.
Angela Jackson and attorney James Shirley confirm the payment cleared. Relief washes over Fry's face. But the attorney asks for a conditional dismissal, just in case Fry defaults again. The judge pauses, weighing the request. Then, with the authority of years behind the bench, he shakes his head. I can't do that. I can't sign orders for future defaults. That's not justice. His tone is firm, yet fair. The courtroom exhales. The case is dismissed, without prejudice. Fry keeps his home, for now. The judge thanks everyone for their patience. A quiet dignity settles over the room. Fry nods, grateful but shaken. As the gavel prepares to fall, the judge delivers his final words, steady and unflinching.